Hello everyone, welcome back to Crafty Guild. Today I'm gonna make just a short video to show you what are the projects that I've worked on during the lockdown and also my work in progress. First, I will show you the shawl that I have made for my best friend. Her name is Kani. She is my best friend during my college days. So this is a shawl that I made her. I think that this will look good with the pin right here. Okay, I'm just gonna show you. I hope that my best friend will like it. I'm gonna send it to her probably next week. We haven't seen each other in a while because of the COVID-19, and I hope that she will love this shawl. Another shawl that I have made is also a shawl again, and this time this is bigger one than the first that I've shown you, and it's actually the same pattern but it's much bigger and the border is not the same with the first one. And this one I will give it to my best friend also. Her name is Mabel and she is a nurse here in our place. She is a frontliner and I hope that she will like this one too. The first shawl that I've showed you, the yarn that I used is a 250 grams cotton yarn, fingering weight yarn, and this one is 300 grams fingering weight cotton yarn. And actually, this shawl was made from the yarn that my husband wound. He's very supportive with my craft. He is the one that wound the yarn for me. So I'm gonna show you another shawl that I made, and this shawl I made this for myself for Mother's Day. It's a really nice shawl. I really like the pattern. Actually, this is not my own design. I bought the pattern from Etsy. If you would like to make yours, I will post a link down below so that you can buy the pattern for yourself. This is the first time that I made a shawl for myself, and I'm really glad. I don't know how to wear a shawl. How do I wear it? Maybe like this. I think I'm gonna buy a pin for this one. Yeah, so good. The pattern is really nice. I really love this shawl. In the border. Look at that. So nice. I'm gonna show you the yarn that I used for this shawl. This is the yarn that I used to make the shawl. And also this is also made by my hubby. Just gonna get the other one. Wow, so beautiful. Which do you think is beautiful? This one or this one? You can tell me in the comment section below. Okay, I'm just gonna put this down. And then next, I'm gonna show you my work in progress. This is another shawl, and again, another shawl. I am really addicted to making shawls right now. I'm designing this shawl. I think looks great. I don't know if you like this. Tell me what you think about this. Okay, and so the yarn, just gonna show you the yarn. You like this color? Tell me in the comment section below. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, don't forget to click the like button. And then for those who are not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon so that you will get notified every time I post new videos. And on my next video, I will share the pattern for this shawl. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and see you next time. Thank you for watching!